Hey guys, welcome to the video. I want to thank our video sponsor, Modari, who sent us a portable tire inflator. Awesome for the track. It's got some cool settings. Let me show it to you real quick, and then we'll get to the video. All right guys, this thing is pretty cool. It's got multiple settings. Obviously you can change the tire pressure up and down here, but it also has different settings for different applications. It's preset for a car tire, but it does have different heads that come with a carrying case. It's got a flashlight up top so you can see what you're doing, and also has a charger for the USB for your cell phones. So really happy with this. I'll definitely be putting this to use at the track. Thank you so much. Check them out, guys. Thank you, Modari, for hooking us up. Excited to show you guys this next video. Let's get to the modified. Take it away, Phillip.
All right, guys, I'm out in the garage. I'm gonna start taking some more videos of the modified. You know, I've been slacking. We got a lot done with not filming anything. I'm gonna go ahead and start filming some things. Want to thank the sponsors, 111 Salvage. The car is actually gonna get rewrapped, so we'll have another reveal shortly on that. But thank you to 111. We're gonna be putting some new Swift springs on the car, and we got new wheels to start the season off. We have another set on the car, but these are going to get new tires and wheels. New molding, body brace. This door in here is kind of flimsy, and it's, as you can see, it's kind of warped a little bit. Might be hard to see on camera, but we will be adding that brace to smooth that out, and then just fixing all the braces. A couple things to fix. My seat, I need to mount it a little bit better. I was gonna move it up a little bit just to sit taller in the car to see over the nose a little better. And we will, steering quickener, I gotta go by the Banks house. We got a new steering quickener. This one, the gears are messed up, so we just got it flipped. Other than that, it's kind of a little update. I'll take, put you on a time lapse when I start to do the springs and everything, and yeah, let's make a video of a modified. Hopefully everybody would like to see it. All right, guys, we got parts for the modified. We have our steering quickener, so I'm gonna set you on a time lapse. I'm gonna take this off and replace it with the new one because the gears are stripped out on this one. Like I said before, we turned it around so that it would steer. So when the car is not under power with the power steering, it's hard to steer this thing, and it sounds like it's like clicking or popping is what it's doing on the inside. So we're gonna get that replaced, so I'll set you on a time lapse. Back in the shop again. This time I'll be taking door panels off because we'll have to unwrap these, rewrap, and we'll have a surprise for the next rewrap. I'll put a time lapse up taking these off, and sorry for the bad hair day. Having twins is makes you a little tired, so time to go get my hair cut later on today. I know I ain't got much hair to cut, but yeah, gonna have to do that today too. But yeah, let's get these panels off so we can tear the wraps off. They weren't ran, so they should be pretty easy. We'll rewrap it. Yeah, we'll go from there, and then we'll reveal the new wrap. Since I got all the panels off now, I'm actually going to replace the spring on the slider. We got all new springs for the car. We have brand new shocks. Now we have brand new springs, so I'll replace the rear springs, and then the fronts, I gotta take the spindles off, shock off, or drop the spindles so the lower control arm can come down, and we can add those springs into there. So we'll go ahead and do that, and then see where we go. Something we're having to change on this car this year is the spoiler on this car was like 22, 23 inches tall. It can only be 17 inches, so having to take out the spacers that were in the roof, dropping this back down, so then our sail panel is only 17 inches tall. So that's what I'm doing right now, is I'm taking these braces off, took the spacers out, dropped the roof, and then see how my sail panels line up. Probably gonna have to make new ones. So yeah, let me get this apart, and then I'll get back when it's level, and I'll show you kind of what it looks like. I got the deck lower down. It's actually, it measures out the top of the decking. Right now, it has to be at least 12. Right now, it's about 15 inches tall. I want to say 15 inches tall. So I am going to do 17 inches tall just to get a little bit of angle on this roof, a little bit of air pushing down on the car. I don't know if I like it being this flat. It's kind of hard to tell without the body on, but yeah. Let's see. It's kind of hard to tell. But as you can tell, it's pretty flat. So I am going to raise it up. I'm going to cut the spacer down in half. Get the spacer, I'll cut it down in half. Raise it up just about, to make 17, it's going to need about another inch. And that from the distance from where it mounts to back here, it should raise it up to go to 17 inches tall. And then I'll cut this back down, put this back in. Yeah, and we should be at 17 inches tall, so it will be legal. I can use the other sail panels. This was a brand new sail panel I made. So it'll be 3 inches in the back. It still fits. And then I got enough room up here. I'll just be able to cut it out new. Maybe we'll cut it out roundish, but I kind of like the straight. And so does Dad. Dad likes the straight cut panel. So they cannot be bowed. Like sometimes you see modifieds with them bowed. They do have to be flat. So we will go by the rules, make them flat. Just make sure it's 17 inches. Another little update we've done on this car. Let's see, we got new plastics, like I said. Before, in the back for fuel, you used to have to take this whole entire panel off with 2 nuts and bolts. Well, now this is going to be riveted down. Yeah, we got to fit it back in there. But we put an access panel on the back. These are really nice access panels. Fairly cheap. I think they're like, I want to say like 20, 30 bucks. Maybe a little bit more than that. But yeah, we did that. It's another update. I did get the spring in here. I put new spring on this slider. I gotta do the other one, and I gotta do the fronts. Let's see. Be a good thing to clean up the fuel cell, but it's a lot of work to pull that out and do that. We do only have a 9-inch rear end in this. We got a 583 rear gear. Would like to upgrade to a quick change someday, but we'll see how that goes. But I'll take you guys off here, and then I'll pick up sometime when I get back out here. I gotta go feed the twins. So I'll see you guys. I have found some time to come out and work on the car. And yes, it is taken apart. It's going through some stages right now. Fixing some stuff, changing some stuff, but we'll get there. All right, I didn't take video of doing it, but I did pull the trans. We have a Burt Gen 1 trans. It's over there. We bought a rebuild kit to put new clutches in it, as the clutch pedal last year was almost all the way to the floor when pushing it down. So we'll redo that. This is something I want to address, is maybe cleaning up this fuel cell somehow. Or maybe we'll wrap it. We got some black vinyl wrap over there. Yeah, maybe we can wrap it up and see what we can do there. I don't know if I took videos of it, but I have replaced the spring on this side. I'm gonna replace the other one. Too bad we don't have a quick change rear end. But yeah, we are running a 9-inch. Let's see else. Yeah, kind of a once over on the car. You guys have probably seen the inside of it. Another thing we gotta replace is, I think I took a video of that, this old metal. So we're putting this metal in down here on the bottom, the lower part of the door. Before it was just this piece of angle iron. It's made of aluminum, and it's as you can see, seen better days. But look at that, some old springs, they're worn out. But I'm gonna get on here. I think we've talked about the motor quite a bit, but before when we first got this car, the first motor we ran in the car was a 388. Was not built very well. When Dad took the oil pan off of it right before we fired up and got running, I think it was the crankshaft or the connecting rod bolts, they were all loose, so tightened them up and we decided to try to run the motor, and of course it blew up. So this is I think this is our second crate motor. This is a really good 602. It has all the paperwork, all the seals. We also got 2 carburetors. We got I believe we have a Willys 4-barrel 650, and then just a backup one. So, but it's got all pretty good stuff. Multi-fire wires, which are pretty good wires. Another thing we got, along with Travis wheeling and dealing, we picked up an evac system. So pulls the vacuum out of there, runs the exhaust, both sides. It's a pretty good system. What else have we done to this thing? A new, let's see. We've added the steering quickener. You see me replace that. Alternator we have new. Good fan, and just kind of giving you guys a once over of the car. We do have new springs for the fronts and the rears. I do want to redo the front of this nose. It's still dirty, but I'd like to extend this bumper out further and get the nose to lay down more and a little bit longer, but we'll see if we get there. Redo the hood. But yeah, I did have to lower the roof for rules, so I did lower the rear of the roof to bring it down. So now it should be good because the sail panels can only be so tall. So we got that done. But other than that, I've just been tinkering on it. Be excited this year. This year my plans are to run Peevely I-55 as much as I can. They have a big B-Mod race coming up at Peevely. I did sign up for that, so I'll be at that one. Other than that, we'll see with having the twins how much time I have to actually be able to race. Yeah, and along with doing decals, it kind of taking up time. That's the biggest thing for not getting this thing done in a hurry is we got decals lined up. We got late model wraps on right now. We got another wrap coming that has a bunch of overlays, which I do not like doing overlays. So if you guys call and want overlays, I might say yes, but most likely not. But we do have a bunch of different colors for overlays. This was going to be the 111 wrap, these 2 colors, but since 111's sponsoring it, they like their color specific, so that's what we're going with. But yeah, so be exciting this year. But what else? Well, if you guys can let me know what you guys want me to film on the car and go over anything, or yeah, I'll have to repin that sail panel. It'll work, but we'll redo it. We got new plastics. They're up on top of the car underneath the sides, but I'm debating if I want to just wrap over these or peel this off. I don't know how well it's going to peel off, but we'll see how that goes. I'll probably take videos of that one, but just getting on here, trying to make a video for you guys. But you guys can. There's a comment and let me know what you guys want to see about the modified. If you want to see the modified or anything else, I'll try to video and document it. All right, well, you guys have a good night.
I always love the modified videos. I am so excited to see Phillip get out on the track and rip that 111 salvage modified. Some really cool upgrades that they were able to do to that car, and I really appreciate Phil getting out in the shop and getting us some content on the modified, especially with his new twins. It's keeping him busy, and he's still able to get out there and also design some incredible stickers and stuff with splash vinyl. So Phillip, staying busy. Travis is keeping them even busier with the race car stuff up there. But I want to take some time and do the Super Clean giveaway that I talked about a couple of weeks ago. And so we're going to turn around, get the video pulled up, and we're going to give away some Super Clean to one of you lucky winners. So let's get it going. Okay, so we've got this video here, which is our snow days video where it snowed like crazy down here in Mississippi. I've got it all your comments, so you can see all of you guys commented Super Clean to enter into the videos. So I'm going to take this and we're going to grab this URL, copy that. We're going to go here to our random YouTube generator and paste this right there. Let's fetch all the comments. Anything goes. 43 comments. So here we go. Let's see who won some Super Clean. Chris Bland. Super Clean giveaway. Also love switching of cars back and forth. It keeps things interesting for sure. So congratulations, Chris Bland. Reach out to us. You have won a Super Clean giveaway. So we appreciate Super Clean allowing us to do these giveaways for you guys. Congratulations to Chris. You guys do not forget to go check out the description where I have the link to Madari's air pump that Travis talked about in the beginning of the video. If anybody is getting too close to start of race season and needs vinyl, please reach out to Splash Vinyl Company on Facebook. Phillip is rocking and rolling with some amazing decals, and he's also getting that modified ready. So appreciate you guys hanging out with us in this video. We've got some really cool content that I'm taking today to edit, and really cool stuff coming out soon. I also wanted to let you guys know we're experiencing a little bit of difficulties with our website for our merchandise. So if anybody has ordered anything here in the last couple of weeks, we're trying to work through that as best we can. So y'all please bear with us, give us some grace on that. We're trying to get that issue resolved. If you have ordered something and you have not gotten it yet, please reach out to us so that we can get that situation taken care of. We appreciate y'all. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you think about the modified. Chris, please reach out to us via messenger or our email, FlemingFR13@gmail.com. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Be blessed. Later.